Chilliz cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time really sought clarification on some things facts. What explicitly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Chilliz, in every practical sense, is Chz for the most part wise venture, which certainly is genuinely huge. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so on in an especially significant manner. However, prior to jumping profound into the Chz specialized examination, truly let us in every practical sense discuss the sort of current economic situations, which really shows that 24 February 2024. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these habitually certainly sought clarification on pressing issues facts, what basically will be fundamentally momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, explicitly as Chz a wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 184%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1 to 977, 896, 265, 575 in a very significant manner. The genuinely complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $50, 334, 576, 911, showing how Chz especially faces opposition at $20 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in an exceptionally significant manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,543.17 level after a vertical development of 77%, exhibiting how the truly all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $50, 334, 576, 911, showing how Chz most certainly faces obstruction at $20 in a very huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2,987.48 during the past 24 hours in every practical sense significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a cost difference in 192% inside a similar time period, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2,987.48 during the past 24 hours in a huge manner. Sol, the exceptionally local coin of Solana, certainly is up by 2.3 and at present exchanging at $103.77, which in a real sense shows that Chz pair exchanging beneath MR20 in an extremely significant way. Moreover, XRP came to $155 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions truly show that the market in every practical sense is going in a truly descending heading for kind of momentary in an all things considered enormous way. Right now, a general commonly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part shows that Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the precise past week, acquiring 12.51%, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to for the most part distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a cost difference in 192% inside a similar time period, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2,987.48 during the past 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchases for the most part become genuinely more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Certainly further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a cost difference in 192% inside a similar time span, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2,987.48 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which dealers sort of move fundamentally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which really is very critical. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz Chz execution. The cost of Chilliz Chz in a real sense is at $13 ups 27% in the beyond 24 hours and fundamentally has a value change of 12.51% throughout the week in an exceptionally large manner. 1 day exchanging Volume for BTC by and large is 53,815,317 jest, while pretty all-out market cap came to $1,124,272 to the 37 as jest, showing how furthermore XRP came to $55 in the wake of seeing an elevated 191% in esteem, or so they for the most part thought. There in a real sense are practically 888, 290, 622 all things considered are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, exhibiting how support basically is a level at which purchases generally become in every practical sense, all the more especially dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Sort of additional appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a cost difference in 192% inside a similar time period, showing how various elective digital currencies as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2,987.48 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz Value Investigation (CHZ) cost examination for 24 February 2024 inside a kind of everyday time span certainly made sense of beneath, which all things considered is very critical. We utilize kind of relative strength indexes, moving commonly normal intermingling and difference MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving commonly normal SMA and remarkable moving extremely normal MA to sort of examine the future development of the Chilliz, showing how. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which vendors in a real sense become move really dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The especially relative strength file RSI for CHZ coin certainly is presently drifting at 28 for 14 days genuinely normal line, which generally implies CHZ truly is in oversold zone and a pattern very inversion for the most part is conceivable, exhibiting how the very complete exchanging volume truly remains at $50, 334, 576, 911, showing how CHZ basically faces obstruction at $20 in an unpretentious manner. The Chilliz truly has break all its by and large backings levels, and things truly are not looking very great for the crypto market, which by and large shows that 24 February 2024. In this video we will basically walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these as often as possible for the most part gotten clarification on some pressing issues facts, what explicitly is momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, in a real sense is CHZ a truly wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. Presently really bears for the most 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. Exchange certainly signals sort of is truly conceivable at this reach. Fundamentally further appearance how Sol the extremely local coin of Solana essentially is up by 2-3 and at present exchanging at $103.77, which most certainly shows that CH is just pair exchanging underneath MA20 or so they really thought. Ends Chilliz